Hey beautiful souls, welcome back to Beautyistic. If you've ever felt like your toothbrush isn't giving you that dentist fresh clean, you're going to want to stick around. Before we get into the details, don't forget to hit subscribe and click that bell icon so you never miss a tip that could elevate your daily beauty and self-care routines. Today, we're checking out the Philips One by Sonicare Brush Heads in Miami Coral. A 2-pack designed to give your teeth a brighter, polished look. These aren't just any replacement heads. They promise micro vibrations and soft, tapered nylon bristles that are gentle yet effective, snapping on easily to your Philips One by Sonicare handle. Dentists recommend swapping these out every 3 months to keep your brushing game at its peak. Right out of the box, the brush heads feel sturdy and sleek, with that eye-catching coral accent that matches your handle for a cohesive, stylish vibe. Installing them is effortless. They snap on securely without any fuss, which makes swapping them every 3 months painless. No awkward twisting or tricky alignment. The tapered bristles are soft enough for sensitive gums, but they still deliver a thorough polish that helps lift stains and brighten your smile. In my experience, using these brush heads has been incredibly straightforward. The micro vibrations really make a difference. You can feel the gentle yet effective movement along each tooth and gum line. Morning or evening, they leave a noticeably cleaner feeling without any irritation. One thing to note is that these are specifically compatible with Philips One by Sonicare handles, so they're not universal. That's something to keep in mind if you have a different model. Pros? They're stylish, gentle, and effective. The soft bristles make them perfect for sensitive teeth while still giving you that polished, shiny finish. The snap-on feature adds convenience, and having 2 in a pack is great value. On the flip side, they only work with one specific handle, which could be limiting if you're thinking of sharing or switching handles, and the price might feel a touch high compared to standard brush heads. If you're curious how they stack up against other replacement heads, these feel more refined and gentler than typical soft brush heads on the market. Some alternatives are cheaper, but you might sacrifice that precision polishing and the design-focused feel. If you value aesthetics along with dental performance, this pack hits the sweet spot. The build quality is solid, and the bristles maintain their integrity over weeks of daily use without fraying. Since dentists recommend replacing them every 3 months, the lifespan aligns well with clinical guidance, which is reassuring. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get these brush heads, the link is in the comments. Philips has a good reputation for customer support, so if you ever have an issue, they're responsive and professional. I haven't personally needed to reach out yet, but knowing the brand's track record gives peace of mind. So what's the final verdict? If you're already invested in a Philips One by Sonicare handle and want to maintain an effective, gentle, and visually appealing brushing experience, these brush heads deliver exactly what you need. They're perfect for someone who wants both style and performance in their oral care routine. For those looking for a more budget-friendly option, you could find compatible soft brush heads elsewhere, but they might not offer the same polished finish or color-matched flair. Thank you so much for watching Beautyistic. The link to grab these brush heads is in the comments below. If you've already tried them, drop a comment and let us know your thoughts. I love hearing your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.